You use the CCMWeb application to run historical reports so you can manage your contact center's performance. To run reports, click on Reports from the main menu. This will give you access to the many devices you can run reports on, including the many different perspectives you can set them to, so it is tailored to your business needs. It is important to mention though that the devices you see here may change depending on the licensing and system configuration. For example, if you don't have licenses for IVR routing, then you will not have any option to report on it. In this demo, let's suppose I am a team manager and I want to run reports on my team's performance. I know they support voice calls, so to start, under Reports, choose Voice. And then here, I have the option to choose between several perspectives. Mainly, I can go with agent reports or team reports. In a real-world scenario, your choice depends greatly on how your site has been set up. For example, if your site has been set up so that all of the agents under you are already in a team, then you would go to Team Reports. Otherwise, you may have to go to Agent Reports so you can select each agent one by one. Continuing with this example, I'll select Agent Reports. After selecting the report category, you will be directed to this page where you can configure report options. Here, you set the report type, the interval, the report mode, language, and render type. You can also configure distribution so that the reports generated will be sent to specific individuals or groups. In the Basic tab, set the report type. It can get overwhelming because there are tons to choose from, but as a best practice, make sure you have something specific in mind when running a report. If you do, you see it is intuitive. If you're looking for performance, then select Agent Performance. If you're interested in reviewing how often your agents go on Make Busy, then you can select Make Busy or D&D Trace. A great tip is also to check the Reports Guide. This holds a lot of helpful information that will guide you through understanding the various report options and report results from CCMWeb. After setting the report type, choose the specific entity, in this case, agents you want to report on. Next, select the start date and end date. If you want to create one report for each day in the selected date range, then leave a check mark on the provided checkbox. Enter the start and end hour, and for the interval, choose between 15, 30, and 60 minutes. Select the days to include by leaving a check mark on the boxes provided. On the report mode, choose over midnight if your shift falls past midnight, such as night shifts, because by default, reports are broken down daily and therefore set to end at midnight. Choose the report output language, and lastly, for render type, choose Excel or PDF. In the Distribution tab, assuming you have set up your email contacts, then you can email the report to a specific contact, contact group, or employee. You can also print the report. Finally, to run the report, click Submit. After doing so, you will be taken to the report inbox where you will see the report you ran. If you don't see the report, refresh the page. You can also set it so that this page refreshes every 10 seconds by leaving a check on the checkbox provided here. You will know that the report is ready when the status icon is green and a link to view becomes available. CCMWeb offers hundreds of reports, and we won't be able to cover everything in this series. That is why we encourage you to check out our reports guide. This is available within CCMWeb. Just click Help. The reports guide provides you a description and an image of all of the report types available, along with the definitions that will help you read and understand the reports that you run. For more information on CCMWeb, we do offer a dedicated course called Supervising Your Contact Center. For more information, visit us on our website. Just go to mitel.com/training and access our end-user course catalog here. Thank you again for joining me today, and I hope to see you in our next video.